So I'm just gonna check the radar and go storm radar. This is aiming for us tonight. These storms here, it's very heavy. Let me just get this started here. It was like this far and now it's coming close. Look at it. Look how heavy that rain is. The red represents the hard rain. The yellow is like in the middle. The green is just normal rain, but that's how much rain is coming to us. We got a lot of huge rain right here. It makes sense because this one's also coming to us as well. But that cloud will probably dissolve by then once it's with us. So, yeesh. Yeah, we're under a special weather statement now. So we might as well be prepared for that. It's approaching Millington right now, and it's ending its course, heading for Aurora now. Wait. Alright, let me search up Yorkville's weather. Where's the weather of Yorkville? Oh, I'm sorry, I just cannot. Alright. Aha, here we go. Are you kidding me? This is wrong. It does say 100% of precipitation though, so you know it's dangerous to be in Yorkville right now. Yeah, it's pretty dangerous to be out here. It is 11:25 currently, and yeah. I don't need premium. The storm's coming. No. These are just random stuff. My sister has been playing with this recently, so it makes sense. Let's try this again. It is currently 11:26. Yeah, now it's working now. Yeah, we're getting tons of stormy rain tonight. Oh, it's coming. We're just near the Chicago suburbs, and once it hits Chicago, you know it's gonna be bad. So, yeah, Chicago is, and Glendale Heights, Naperville, like the big parts of the suburbs of Illinois are going to experience severe weather as well. We got Aurora, we got Naperville, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Oak Park, Burbank, Oak Lawn, the O'Hare Airport, Chicago. Well, I think I already said Chicago, so we're good. Elk Grove Village. Oh, only a little bit of Elk Grove it will experience it. Elgin for sure. Anything in DuPage County and the DeKalb County will experience severe weather. Let's see what we have in this county here. We got Yorkville also experiencing severe weather. Millington already passed that. Now it's entering Plainfield now. Let me just check the weather for Plainfield. %95 of precipitation, although it says it's cloudy. That's a lie. You know it's not cloudy. It's coming for us. I'll give you guys an update. They say it's supposed to hit at 12 a.m. it says on my phone. It's right now, I don't know if you can tell. It's 11:30 now, almost 11:30. So stay tuned for the update at 12 o'clock.